So, like, this new moon in Sagittarius, I'm gonna be honest, like, it brings some type of clarity again that you won't notice, but it will garner clarity when you put something behind it. Like when you put the intention behind what you might not be able to see. Like this new moon in Sagittarius is really wanting you to not only stand up for yourselves, but it's I'm honest, like it's gonna want you to speak your truth, babe. Now, whatever you've been working hard for, like again, this is conjunct Mars and Capricorn. Mars loves being in Capricorn, by the way, and it's saying I wanna shift my efforts into something that is worth building in this new year. I want to shift my efforts to actually creating something that is long lasting. Like this new moon in Sagittarius is going to show you where the effort actually needs to be, and you have to apply that effort wherever this energy goes. This new moon is like, I'm here and I'm finishing what needs to be actually finished, what needs to also be started. Like, I'm hearing there's no more time to be wasted. No more time to be wasted. No more time to act like you're in a celebratory moment when everything is not in alignment, when everything is not necessarily there. Like you've built over this year. You've seen what needed to be built. You've seen what needed to be, created. Saturn conjunct the North Node in Pisces, Saturn with Neptune. Like the dreams are building, and once Saturn leaves Pisces, Neptune leaves Pisces, you're gonna have to embody what was built, what the dream was created on. And this is the time to actually gain clarity and truth and regain a level of authenticity on what the foundation you're building on. And this is the time to take out the sword and cut out some things that just is kind of like not even like broadcasting and advertising what is truly the intent. And I feel like now it's like you're looking at this map and you've seen your guide, you've seen this blueprint, and now it's like there is a level of unsatisfaction, if you will, and now you're finna just take some things out and you're gonna plug some things in over the next 7 months. You're gonna start actually literally implementing the skill sets that you actually have. Now, again, like this advertisement, that Sagittarius energy is almost kind of like you're marketing yourself to people, which is Cancerian energy, that is going to want to be at your doors first. Like you're gaining mass amounts of clarity. Like think of this portal, like if you will, if you're doing business or you're trying to get a project off and running and you want to get attention, like you're taking out the stuff that keeps trying to push itself out there, but it's not getting any attention. It has no clarity, it has no drive, it has no driven horsepower behind it. And so now it's like this portal is about horsepower. Like this is the year of 9 we're shedding, but we're going into the year of 1, or you can say the year of 10, which is really 1. And you're going into this portal, which is Sagittarius, the Centaur, Cancer energy at the full moon on December 3rd, 4th, which is the Chariot and the Tarot deck. This is horsepower. This is fuel. This is the horse magnetizing itself to fast forward movement. And Mars will be in Capricorn at 3 degrees. So there's this Gemini degree energy. So there is a little bit of that opposition with this new moon in Sagittarius, if you kind of see it depositing itself back into the Sagittarian's house, where am I speaking about this steadfastness, this force that is being pushed. And so this is the force. Mars is using this force in Capricorn to build something actually long lasting, that will actually last you, that is social enough with that 3 degrees Gemini to make you be able to say what needs to be said when you're utilizing this horsepower. Like, you have this fuel, you have this real motion about you that is so powerful, that's so dynamic, that's so magnetic, that you're actually seen. Your energy, your body, the body's truth is now being seen. Like, next year we're going to Jupiter and Leo, and yes, that will be at the very tail end of June, like June 30th, but that is that portal where it's saying, oh, that's where you get the recognition, the true visibility that you're looking for, the true honor, like the true king. Like, kings are being pushed right now to develop a sense of truth and authenticity and wisdom. And there's no other layer that we can pierce through and not remind you of this literal horsepower. Like, you see how horses like run and gallop, like they are majestic, they're majestic beings. And so this year of 2026 is going to show you your majestic power, but you have to use this portal. You have to go into this portal and understand your body's truth, your authentic wave of frequency, the vibration that you emit off of your body, literally. And if you can't do that, like there's dullness, like there is like this, I'm not going to say that this is all romance, but this is really a message that spirit wants to provide to you. Like there's this extra layer. Like, you see how they have a cup and then they are giving this cup, like they want to pass this cup, and then you see that they're on this horse. So this is that Jupiterian and Cancer energy as well, pushing us into this next millennium. This is literally horsepower. This is not, and like, if you ain't got it like that, this is the time to really recognize a level of your potential. I mean, the new moon in Capricorn, the new moon in Scorpio is supposed to show you your potential, but this message is saying, okay, I'm here to give you this cup, but I want to know what you're facing with inside yourself. Like, what is the fears? What are the doubts? What are these belief systems that are crippling you? That this shadow that's holding you back, that's causing some things in your garden to ripple, to decay, rather. So we're looking at this from a different perspective with the Hangman, and then with the Eight of Pentacles. It's like, am I seeing this for what it really is? Is my work the perception? What am I putting out there? What is my input? And then what is the output now? We're looking at output now. We're finna start gathering. We've already gathered intel, and we're still gathering it with that South Node in Virgo. What needed to be released, what data does not download and compute correctly, and what downloads are actually going to compute, and what is going to be the actual output. What is actually going to be put out there through our actual crafts, our meaningful work. And this is where it's going to showcase next year. You've been doing the work. Also, this new moon is conjunct industrial, about hard work, discipline, and due diligence. So this is the moon and your craftsmanship. There's another asteroid connected to this where it's going to say, I put in this much and I want to see now what is, like, this is a lottery machine. That's Jupiterian energy. Maybe part